Very good morning, one and all. Welcome to 7th standard science class. This is second class in the science. In the previous class, the first chapter, nutrition in plants, we have discussed about what are the different parts in a plant. And second concept, we have discussed that what is nutrients and nutrition. And the third point we have discussed in the previous class, that is mode of nutrition. You already know that there are two mode of nutrition. One is allotropic nutrition, another one is heterotrophic nutrition. In the previous class, we also discussed about what are the difference between allotropic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Clear? Up to this we have discussed in the previous class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about very important concept, that is photosynthesis. This is very important. This chapter, the main concept regarding the nutrition in plants, that is photosynthesis. Very important concept we are going to discuss in this class, that is photosynthesis. Understood? Regarding the photosynthesis, simply we can say that the photosynthesis nothing but food making process. That means food making process, it is takes place in the plants. Clear? The food making process, it is takes place in the leaves. That's why the leaves we are called as food factory. The leaves we are called as food factories. You already know that in a plant it contains total 5 parts. Total how many parts? 5 parts. The first part in a plant, that is roots. Second one, stem. Third one, leaf. Fourth one, flower. Fifth one, fruit. Understood? There are total 5 parts present in a plant. But all the 5 parts, the food which is prepared in the leaves. Understood? The food which is prepared in the leaves. See here, this is our example for leaf. Here also an example for leaf. All the food which is prepared in the leaf, that's why the leaves we are called as food factories of plants. Same as it is, if you consider, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Understood? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ? ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. Clear? Living room, bedroom, dining room, bathroom and kitchen room. 5 rooms generally. And also Devar Mane. Variety of room it is available in your home. Maneli rooms ಇದೆ. But the food where you prepare, the food you can prepare in the kitchen. ಅದು ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿಬಹುದು? Kitchen is the food factory of your home. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The food, your food, it is prepared in the kitchen. That's why kitchen is the food factory of our homes. Same as it is regarding the plants. Understood? Regarding the plants, the food which is prepared in the leaves. That's why this kind of leaves we are called as food factories. Understood? The leaves we are called as food factories. Same as it is, they have to prepare the food. The leaf which is needed, raw materials. What are the raw materials needed for preparation of the food? The first raw material, that is water and mineral. Water and mineral. And the second raw material which is needed for preparation of food, that is carbon dioxide. carbon dioxide. This kind of carbon dioxide which is present in the air. And third raw material, that is sunlight. Sunlight. You already know the sunlight which is coming from the sun. The fourth raw material, that is chlorophyll. Understood? This kind of chlorophyll, it is already present in the leaf. Chlorophyll. Understood? These are the four important raw material which is needed for preparation of food. Because same as it is ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರಿನಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೇಕು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇಕು ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಬೇಕು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕು ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಬೇಕು ಹಸಿ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಬೇಕು ಮೇಜರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಆ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನಾಲ್ಕು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ the leaves can prepare the food. What are the raw materials needed for the leaf? The first raw material, that is water and mineral. Clear? This kind of water and mineral, it is provided by soil. Mannal irutte. One thing. The water and mineral which is present in the soil. Soil bhoomi in the yen tagolutte plants water and mineral. And second one is carbon dioxide. This kind of carbon dioxide which is present in the air. Air contains different type of gases. Clear? Regarding the air, it is also contain carbon dioxide. Clear? That carbon dioxide which is coming from air. Sixth. And third one, sunlight. You already know that the sunlight which is coming from sun. The sunlight which is coming from sun, light energy, nothing but sunlight. The fourth important raw material, that is chlorophyll. This chlorophyll, it is already present in the leaves. Understood? The chlorophyll which is already present in the leaf. And other than these three raw material, first one it is provided by soil, second one it is provided by air, and third one it is provided by sun. Total 4 raw material which is needed for preparation of food in the leaves. Food in the leaves. Understood? Now, how the water and mineral goes to the leaf? Correct? Leaf alli food prepare agbekiga. Correct? Leaf ige enen beku? Water and mineral, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. ನಾಲ್ಕು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. The first raw material, that is water and mineral. This kind of water and mineral which is present in the soil. See here, this is ground. Clear? The root which is inside the ground. ಮಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರು root system. This is spore shoot system. You already know that. Correct? ಮಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಬೇರಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ you already know that water and mineral which is present in the soil ಮಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. Understood? ಮಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ the ಮಣ್ಣು nothing but soil. It is already present water and mineral. This kind of water and mineral which is absorbed by root. The root ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ root water and mineral ನ absorb ಮಾಡ್ತೋ. the water and mineral which is absorbed by root. Then afterwards, this kind of root which is transfers the water and mineral to the leaf. Understood first point? How the leaf get water and mineral. This kind of water and minerals are absorbed by the root which is present in the soil. Then the water and mineral it is transported to leaves. Understood? It is transported to leaf. You have one question has been arised. One doubt ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಏನು ಡೌಟು? ಈಗ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ರೂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿನರಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತು? ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೈ ಬಸ್. Correct? You can easily transport it from school to your home. ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Using the bus. Same as it is in case of plants also. See here, there is a pipe-like structure. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? There is a one pipe-like structure ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ತರ. Correct? This kind of pipe-like structure, it is called vessels. It is called vessels. By using these vessels, the roots can transport the water and mineral to the leaf. Understood? A pipe-like structure. One pipe ತರ ಇದೆ. ಆ pipe ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Water and mineral. Clear? This kind of water and mineral, it is easily transported by root through pipes, nothing but vessel, to the leaves. First concept. How the leaves get water and mineral. This kind of water and minerals are get by leaf through roots by vessel. First concept. First one. That is first raw material. That is water and mineral. Second one, how the leaf get carbon dioxide. You already familiar that this kind of carbon dioxide which is present in the air. Air contains different type of gases. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, neon, etc. There are so many gases present in the air. Clear? For preparing the food, ಒಂದು food prepare ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ leaf ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? The leaf which is needed carbon dioxide. Clear? This kind of carbon dioxide is present in the air which is absorbed by the. Clear? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಏನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? How the carbon dioxide enter to the leaf. Clear? Now see this diagram. ಈಗ ಈ diagram ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. How the carbon dioxide it is enter to the leaf. Now this is a one diagram representation of leaf. Leaf ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? There is a tiny hole present in the leaf. Leaf ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತೂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ತೂತ. See here, this is a one opening ತೂತ. Tiny hole. This kind of tiny hole we are called stomata. Listen carefully now. Clear? There is a one tiny hole, small holes irutte. Tumba chikku ತೂತ irutte. Clear? That small holes we are called as stomata. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದು? ಡೋರ್ ತರ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಡೋರ್ ತರ. ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಡೋರ್ ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೋರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಟಿನ್ನಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಕು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಟೈನಿ ಹೋಲ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್. That small opening we are called as stomata. See here, this is a small opening. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Stomata. ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. Now it is open. After entering the carbon dioxide, ಲೀಫಿಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. This time the tiny hole it is closed. Now this time the tiny hole it is open. Clear? This tiny hole we are called as stomata. Understood? This tiny hole we are called as stomata. This kind of stomata which is covered by cells. Small cells. Remember, these are small cells. These are the small cells which is covered by stomata. That small cells we are called as guard cells. Security ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That is called as grand cells. Guard cells. Understood? Guard cells. Clear? How the leaf get carbon dioxide? This kind of carbon dioxide can enter there is a tiny hole which is present on the surface of the leaf. That tiny hole we are called as stomata. This is the stomata which is covered by a cell that is called guard cells. Clear? Guard cells. ನಿಮಗೆ cells ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ cells ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು cells? All the living organism ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತವೋ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಸರಿನಾ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತವೋ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತವೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಲ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. Animals also made by cells. Plants also made by cells. Then what is cells? Cells are tiny units. Chikku units. Tumba chikku units. Understood? The cells are very tiny units which is cells are very tiny units. Tumba chikkadu. Kanni kanisalla. One thing you have to remember. Clear? This kind of cells we cannot see in our naked eye. This kind of cells we can observe by using the microscope. What is a microscope? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? We can neatly observe the cells. Cells we cannot see in our naked eye because this is a very small. ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? No. But it can be seen by using the microscope. Very tiny, small unit. This is a one diagram representation of cells. Understood? This is a one diagram representation of cells. Clear? Regarding the cells, the cell which is covered by cell, purti outer layer, the cells which is covered by the outer layer, that kind of outer layer we are called as cell membrane. See here white color chalk piece. This white color chalk piece it represents the cell membrane. Cell membrane. Understood? And also cells which contain in the center spherical structure. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Exact center. This is called nucleus. Understood? This is called nucleus. And this kind of nucleus which is covered by jelly-like structure or jelly-like substance, it is called cytoplasm. Understood? It is called cytoplasm. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Understood? ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಗೋ. ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಔಟರ್ ಲೇಯರ್. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಂತು. ಮೆತ್ತಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ದಟ್ ಜೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹಣ್ಣು ತಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್. nothing but nucleus. Sippe, cell membrane. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಣ್ಣು jelly like substances. It is called cytoplasm. ಆ cytoplasm ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ವಾಟೆ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ. That ವಾಟೆ nothing but nucleus. Like that, the cell contains three parts. One is cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. ಅರ್ಥ ನೀಟಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? It's a very tiny unit. Remember this thing. Very tiny unit we cannot see in the naked eye. We can easily see by using the microscope. This is about cells. Clear? Now listen here. Second thing that is we have discussed, that is carbon dioxide. This kind of carbon dioxide, it is enter the leaf by using the tiny holes. This kind of tiny holes is nothing but stomata. The tiny holes, nothing but stomata. Stomata which is covered by gall cells. Clear? Like second raw materials ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು leafಗೆ. The first raw material nothing but, what is first raw material? Water and mineral. Sixth, through roots, through vessels. Correct? Second raw material, leafy sixth, through stomata. Clear? Through stomata. ಈಗ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಲೀಫಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು? ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್, another one is chlorophyll. Sunlight, another one is chlorophyll. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ together. I will explain now. How the leaf get sun energy? Nothing but light energy. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Now listen here. The third, sunlight and chlorophyll. This kind of chlorophyll which is already present in the leaf. See here, dot 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 ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ? This kind of dot dot nothing but one green pigment. It is a one green pigment which is already present in the leaf. This kind of green pigment we are called as chlorophyll. We are called as chlorophyll. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? Regarding the total 5 parts, the food which is prepared in the leaf ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Why food is prepared in the leaf? ಯಾಕೆ food root ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? Why the food is prepared in the stem? Why the food is prepared in the flower? Why the food is prepared in the fruit? No, the food which is prepared in the leaf, because the leaf contains one chemical, nothing but one green pigment, nothing but chlorophyll. Chlorophyll ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Why we need chlorophyll? Because this kind of chlorophyll which absorbs the sunlight. Now, sun energy, nothing but sunlight, now it is directly falls on the leaf. ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಆ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? That is chlorophyll. The function of chlorophyll nothing but the chlorophyll which is absorbs the sunlight. Understood? The chlorophyll which is absorbs the sunlight. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Now the leaf get water and mineral. The leaf get carbon dioxide. The leaf get sunlight using the chlorophyll. Now the food which is prepared in the leaf. The food which is prepared in the leaf. What is the equation? It is takes place. What is the equation? It is takes place in the leaf. I will see now. There are first one water and mineral, carbon dioxide. Another one is sunlight and charcoal. Now the leaf get all the raw material essential for photosynthesis. Clear? Now we are moving on. What is the chemical equation regarding photosynthesis? Here carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. This is the photosynthesis chemical equation. Listen neatly. What is the photosynthesis chemical equation? Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. Understood? A carbohydrate is nothing but it is in the form of starch. Starch nothing but glucose. Clear? Starch nothing but glucose. Understood? Here, during the photosynthesis, the leaf produces oxygen. Clear? All the living organisms, the essential thing we can breathe, that is oxygen. That means that oxygen, it is coming from plants. That's why the plants are very essential to all the living organisms. And another one main thing is ultimate source of energy, that is sun. Clear? Without sun energy, the food we cannot prepare. That's why the sunlight is also very essential to all the living organisms. Clear? Up to this is photosynthesis, that is food making process. Then what is photosynthesis? The photosynthesis is nothing but plants prepare the food in the presence of water, minerals, carbohydrates, sunlight and chlorine. This process we are called as photosynthesis. Understood? Photosynthesis. These are the, what is the definition of photosynthesis? Clear? You have one question has been arised. Clear? Regarding this plant, it contains chlorophyll. It is a one green pigment. It contains chlorophyll. Some of the plants, it look like different colors. Red color, yellow color, brown color. Correct? We can see variety of different colors we can see in the plants. That also produces food. Yes, that also produces food. In regarding different colors, red color, brown color, yellow color, like the different color, the quantity of the green pigment, it will be smaller in quantity. That's why that in red color, the quantity of red color it is more. In yellow color, the quantity of yellow color is more, green pigment is less. And we can see some of the algae also present in the leaf. Algae nothing but ಪಾಚಿ. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಾಚಿನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That algae is also can prepare their own food like plants. The algae it is also contain one green pigment, that is chlorophyll. Using that green pigment, the algae also produce their own food. Understood? Today in this class, we have discussed about complete information related to photosynthesis. How the leaf prepare by food. Clear? 4 important raw materials. Today in this class, I will give one HW. What is that HW? Draw a neat and label diagram of photosynthesis, and also draw a neat diagram of cell and label the parts. And also you have to draw these 2 figures also. Total you have to draw 4 diagrams. Understood? In the next class we continue, that is the chapter nutrition in plants. Thank you one and all.